Ready to learn your first English words? Let's go!
Hello.
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 Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Yes.
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 No.
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 Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good. Thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is.
My name is Helen.
My name is.
I am. You are.
I am. You are. I am. You are.
Hungry.
Hungry. I am hungry. You are hungry.
Hungry.
Thirsty.
Thirsty. I am thirsty. You are thirsty. Thirsty.
Tired.
Tired. I am tired. You are tired. Tired.
Sorry.
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 It's good. It's bad.
It's good. It's bad. It's good. It's bad.
All done. Thanks for watching. And see you on the next video.